Ever thought about making money? Not online, not through ads, not by chasing trends, but by actually creating something real with your own hands? Something you can touch, sell, scale. Because here's the truth most people miss. You don't need a factory. You don't need a huge investment. And you definitely don't need permission. Sometimes, all it takes is one small machine sitting in your garage. And today, I'm going to show you machines that can literally turn raw materials into cash. Real products, real income, no fluff. Let's start with something almost everyone loves. Coffee roasting machine. Most people think coffee is about brewing. The real money? It's in roasting. Here's why. Green coffee beans are cheap. You can get them for around $4 to $7 per pound. But once you roast them, suddenly, that same coffee becomes a premium product selling for $12 to $20 per pound. You didn't change the product, you changed its value. And the best part? These machines aren't huge. Many are about the size of a microwave. You can literally run a coffee brand from your garage. Imagine this. You create your own blend. You design your own packaging. You sell freshness that big brands can't compete with. Because their coffee, it's been sitting for months. Yours? Roasted yesterday. That's your edge. Start small. Learn the profiles. Build a name. One bag at a time. Laser rust removal machine. Now this one feels like something from the future. A laser that removes rust. No chemicals, no grinding, just pure precision. And people pay good money for this. Think about it. Old cars, rusty tools, antique cookware, metal gates, equipment. Everywhere you look, there's rust. And instead of replacing those items, people would rather restore them. That's where you come in. You show up with a machine that looks high-tech, and within minutes, you transform something ugly into something valuable again. It's satisfying. It's fast. And it pays. Charge per hour. And suddenly your garage side hustle turns into a premium service business. Desktop CNC Plasma Cutter. Now imagine turning a flat piece of metal into art, or into something someone needs. That's what a CNC Plasma Cutter does. It uses a computer-controlled torch to cut metal with insane precision. We're talking about custom metal signs, wall art, car parts, fire pits, brackets and tools, things people are already buying every single day. But here's the real advantage. Customization. Big factories can't compete with one-off designs. Someone wants their name in a metal sign? You make it. Someone needs a custom bracket today? You deliver. You're not just selling metal, you're selling solutions. Something powerful about handmade products. People feel it. And here's the crazy part. A pen that costs you $5 to make can sell for $30, even $60. Why? Because it's not just a product. It's craftsmanship. It's uniqueness. No two pieces are ever exactly the same, and in a world full of mass production, that difference matters. Screen printing setup. Now let's talk about something you see everywhere. Custom t-shirts, brands, schools, events, businesses. Everyone needs them. But here's the gap. Most big printing companies require large orders and take weeks. You can print 10 shirts overnight. That's power. With a basic screen printing setup, you can start producing t-shirts, hoodies, merchandise, local business uniforms. And the margins? Strong. A shirt that costs you $5 can sell for $20 easily. But more importantly, you become the go-to person in your area. Need shirts fast? They call you. That speed alone becomes your biggest advantage. Industrial sewing machine. This is where things level up. Because regular sewing machines, they're limited. But industrial machines, they handle leather, denim, canvas, heavy materials. And that opens the door to high-value products like leather wallets, belts, bags, upholstery work. Here's a simple example. A leather belt might cost you $10 in materials. You sell it for $80. That's not just profit, that's premium positioning. And then there's repair work, furniture, car seats, boat covers, jobs people can't do themselves, which means they'll gladly pay someone who can. That someone could be you. And here's the thing, none of these ideas are get rich quick. But they are real. They create real value. And that's why they work. In part 2, we're going deeper into even more machines, including ones that turn plastic waste into profit, create food products, and even generate income from simple everyday services. Because the opportunity? It's bigger than you think. Just waiting for someone to take action. Now let's keep going, because this is where things get even more interesting. Up until now, you've seen machines that create products. But these next ones? They don't just create. They solve problems people are already paying for. Food dehydrator. Think about this. People are obsessed with healthy snacks right now, but most of what's in stores: preservatives, artificial flavors, mass-produced. That's your opportunity. A food dehydrator lets you turn simple ingredients into premium snacks. Beef jerky, dried fruits, vegetable chips. And here's the beauty of it. You take something perishable and turn it into something that lasts for months. That alone increases its value. A small batch of jerky that costs you a few dollars to make can sell for $15 to $25 easily. And the process? Simple. Prep it. Load it. Let the machine do the work overnight. Wake up, and you've got a product ready to sell. Farmers markets, local stores, even online. It's one of the easiest ways to enter the food business from home, but that's exactly what this does. A plastic shredder lets you take waste plastic, bottles, containers, packaging, and turn it into raw material for new products. Things like coasters, planters, storage items, even 3D printing filament. And here's the twist. People love buying recycled products, not just because they're useful, but because they tell a story. This used to be waste. Now it's something valuable. That story sells. In some cases, businesses will even pay you to take their plastic waste. So you earn from collecting it, and then earn again by selling the finished product. That's a double income model. Key cutting machine. Now let's talk about something simple, but powerful. Keys. Everyone needs them. Everyone loses them. And nobody wants to travel far just to get a copy. That's where you step in. With a key cutting machine, you can offer a fast, local service that people constantly need. Each key costs almost nothing to make, but sells for a few dollars. And it only takes minutes. But here's where it gets even better. Property managers, real estate agents, landlords. They need multiple keys. Again and again. That means repeat business. Steady income. No complicated process. No big learning curve. Just a simple service, done consistently. Wood chips or agricultural waste and compresses them into pellets. Used for heating fuel, animal feed. And the raw materials? Sometimes free. Wood shops and sawmills often want someone to take their waste. You turn that waste into a sellable product. And suddenly, something with zero value becomes something people depend on. Local farms, heating suppliers, rural communities, they all need it. Rubber stamp machine. Small machine, big demand. Every business, office, and organization uses stamps, addresses, logos, approvals, and most people want them fast. That's your edge. With a stamp making setup, you can produce custom designs in minutes. A stamp that costs you $3 to make sells for $20 or more. Quick turnaround, high margins, repeat customers. It's simple, but powerful. Wooden cutlery machine. And finally, one of the fastest growing markets right now, eco-friendly products. Plastic is being banned in more places every year, which means businesses need alternatives. Wooden spoons, forks, knives, and they need them in bulk. That's where this machine shines. You produce biodegradable cutlery and sell directly to restaurants, food trucks, caterers. Even better, offer custom branding. Now you're not just selling utensils, you're selling identity. Final thought. Here's what all of this comes down to. It's not about finding the perfect machine. It's about choosing one and starting. Because every single one of these ideas has one thing in common. They turn effort into value. The only question is, are you going to keep watching? Or finally start building something of your own?